In this video, I'll build an IBCS-certified management dashboard from a blank canvas in Intelligence Sheet of Microsoft Fabric Plan, directly on top of my existing Power BI semantic model. No custom visuals, no SVG workarounds. IBCS is now the basis of ISO 24896, the first international standard for notation in business reporting. Fabric Plan is IBCS certified, and Intelligence Sheet applies this notation with a single click across charts, cards, and tables, all on top of your Power BI semantic model. The core idea is simple. Things that mean the same should look the same. Actuals are always solid black. Plan is always outlined. Prior year is always gray. Forecast is always hatched. Favorable variance is green, unfavorable is red. Intelligence Sheet also ships with the complete library of one-click IBCS templates, chart templates C1 through C13, and table templates T1 through T5. I'll be using several of them throughout this demo. I'll pick my semantic model and create a new Intelligence Sheet. Before I start building, I'll apply the IBCS theme. From the Intelligence tab, I'll open Canvas, go to Themes, and select IBCS. The theme is now applied across every visual I add to this sheet. I'll add two slicers, Business Unit and Year. I'll set Year to 2026 so every visual updates together. I'll start with a KPI card for total revenue, month on the axis, actual and plan as values. The card automatically follows the IBCS theme. I'll repeat the same for EBITDA, EBITDA margin percentage, headcount, and top performer. I'll add a matrix with account category, account group, and account name on the rows, and actual and plan as values. By default, the visual is created with the T03 template, variance highlights included. I can also switch to T04 or T05 from the templates, depending on how I want to visualize the data. Now, I'll insert an inline bullet chart using the actual and plan columns. Each row displays actual against the plan target, with IBCS styling applied automatically. I didn't configure the fills or the tick marks separately. I'll add a waterfall chart to show the bridge from plan to actual. IBCS notation applies automatically: green for favorable drivers, red for unfavorable, black for totals.
Next, an integrated variance column chart by business unit, with variance bars displayed on the right of baseline.
I'll add a bubble chart with actual, plan, and prior year mapped, and apply conditional formatting to highlight where actual exceeds plan. Finally, a line chart with actual, plan, and forecast as series. I'll enable lollipop variance from the series settings. Each month now shows a lollipop marker between the actual and plan lines, green or red, so monthly differences read at a glance. Every visual on this canvas inherited the same IBCS notation from the one-click theme applied at the start. I'll enable filter context on the matrix. With filter context on, each comment is tied to the exact data intersection it was made on, the row, the column, and the active slicer values. The comment only appears when that same intersection is in view. I'll add comments for cost of goods sold. As I change the slicer values, each comment stays attached to the correct data intersection. It moves with the data, not the position on screen. That's an IBCS-certified management dashboard built on a Power BI semantic model. KPI cards, matrix with inline bullet charts, waterfall, integrated variance, bubble, and line with lollipop variance, all following one notation applied once at the start. No custom visuals, no workarounds. That's Intelligence Sheet in Microsoft Fabric Plan.